Hi, Allison. I was looking at your post and discussion board, and I just thought I would add a couple comments. I totally understand where your students are coming from when you start throwing in the same information but into a new form. So your fractions and your word problems when your students like throw up their hands. I see that a lot in my students, and something I recognized last year when I started teaching math at HPU is we use software called My Math Lab, and we are responsible for having all of their homework assignments online. We don't have a choice, that's what the university says to do. But then we give paper tests, and I do everything else in class on paper, and it was really hard for my students to be able to go from the exact same problems on the computer to paper. And so I kind of read with the Spectre text talking about the worked example effect, which I think kind of goes right along with what you're talking about, is when you throw something new, even if it's the same thing in a new format, if you haven't shown them the skills to be able to work it, that they really don't know how or where to go until you show them. And so this semester I'm kind of testing out, since I only have 7 students, I actually made all of their assignments online. So even quizzes and tests, we take them all in class together just to see if they do better. Even though I'm sure I can't really isolate all the variables to be able to tell, I feel like if it was all on paper or if it was all on the computer, then my students would stand a better chance because it's how they've been doing it over and over again. I think research shows us too that students test better in the same room around the same time where everything's familiar. And I think the same thing goes for cognitive processes with homework and reviewing the information and stuff, that if they're doing everything on their computer, then in order to kind of level the playing field for them, to give them their tests and quizzes and assess them the same way that they're practicing the word problems. Anyways, I hope you have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.